We are going to look at fast methods of squaring. ठीक है? So we'll start with very simple examples. सबसे पहले numbers ending with 5. I think आपको पता है, but it's a refresher. And if you guys are not using these methods, it is a problem because this will make a huge difference to your calculation abilities. Okay, so that's why I'm covering it here. So numbers ending with 5. Let me just quickly review. For example, 25 का square अगर करना है, so how do we go about it? Look at all numbers ending with 5. Always have 25 as the end, right? Everybody knows this. Any number ending with 5, the square of that number will have 25 in the end. And what do you need to do is this remaining part. Usme kya aayega? For that, you have to look at this number over here, the number preceding 5. Take this, which is 2. And the next number you have to multiply is add 1 to this 2. It will come here, which is 3. Right? You add 1 to 2, which is 3. And if you multiply that, that is the number which goes here. Everybody is clear? Very, very simple method. And so now I want some of the new guys who are here to answer my next questions. So now if you are squaring 35 square, what will be the answer? Guys, तुम लोग बताओ. Anybody? So same process. Last two digits are going to be 25. You have 3. So what you need to do to get the remaining part of the answer is 3 into 4. Take 3, add 1, multiply. 35 square is going to be 1225. Clear? 75 square. Come on, quickly.
5625.
5625. 5625. Absolutely. Correct. 95 square.
9025.
So it's that easy. You take a second to come out with an answer, right? So where do we use this? Where do you have to use this? Anywhere where you need to square. अगर number ending with 5 है तो it is very, very easy. Don't have to waste time multiplying it. You must quickly arrive at the solution, right? This is the method. इसको practice करके अपने दिमाग में बैठा लेना है. This is a great trick. Saves lot of time. You don't have to do lot of working, rough work and anything. उसमें बिल्कुल time waste नहीं करना है. Let's look at a bigger one. 125 square. तो इसमें क्या है? 5 का square 25. Now इसको क्या करना पड़ेगा? You have to take for the remaining part of the answer. You need to take 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 12 into 13 is how much? So इसके लिए 12 quickly arrive करने के लिए you need to know tables of 12 and 13. 13 2s are 26. 13 1s are 13 and plus 2 156. 15625. So 125 square is 15625. Got it? Everybody's clear with this? Great. Let us look at some other numbers. So what about some other cases which are not ending in 5, right? So let's take a start with a simple example. We are looking at 2-digit number जिसको square करना है. Let's say 14. You need to find 14 का square. So ideally you should already know what is 14 का square, and I think most of my students know 14 का square. But we are going to learn a process. We are going to learn a process through which we are going to see what is happening, right? What is the process? सबसे पहले look at the units digit 4. उसको square करो. 4 का square 16. Then look at the tens digit, which is 1. उसका square करो. And I'm going to write 0 1 because any single digit square maximum has two places. For example, 9 ka square 81. It has 2 digits, right? So we need to give space for 2 digits. So if the second digit is not there, we replace with a 0. So in this case, 1 ka square is 1. So I put 0 1 because I need to give space for 2 digits फॉर अ सिंगल डिजिट स्क्वायर. तो अभी 2 डिजिट्स ये हो गया, 4 का स्क्वायर हो गया 16, राइट. नाउ व्हाट डू वी डू? दिस इज द फर्स्ट रो. सेकेंड रो, मल्टीप्लाई 4 and 1 हियर. ये दोनों डिजिट्स को मल्टीप्लाई करना है और फिर उसको डबल करना है. So 1 into 4 is 4, 4 का double is 8. So leave this units, this space you need vacant, write 8 as 0, 8. Add this. So 14 square is 196. This method is much faster for larger numbers when you have to actually do a normal multiplication. उससे ये method बहुत fast है. As you go look at higher numbers, which we'll look at an example. Let's take another number. Let's take slightly higher number 19, just to reinforce the method. So ये method आपके दिमाग में बैठाओ. You must remember this method. Take your notes right now. So what is the step? Square of 9. How much is square of 9? Guys, unmute and talk. Don't mute
81.
yourself.
81.
I want the noise to happen. Yeah, mute करके बैठना नहीं है. Unmute and talk. 9 का square 81. 1 का square
1, of course.
1.
1, of course, but you need to write 0, 1. Okay, ensure that you write 0, 1. Then what do you do? What is the next step?
Multiply 9.
Multiply 1 and 9 and double it.
9 into 1 and then double. 9 ones are 9, 2s are 18. Leave this
And then
space. Leave this space. Write 18. Add it up. 1, 8, 8, 16. And then
3.
3. 361. 19 ka square is 361. Understood? Now let's take a different number. Let's take what? 37. 37 ka square. Apply the same method and find out. All of you. And let me know your answer.
1369.
136. सबका आया आंसर?
Yes, sir.
yes.
Excellent. So process is clear. So what did we do? 7 ka square 49. 3 ka square 9. Leave this space. Multiply 3 and 7 21. 21 ka double 42. Add 9 6 13. 37 square 1369. Clear? Let's look at 3 digits. $124 का स्क्वायर करना है. सो 124 का स्क्वायर अगर करना है क्विकली तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? प्रोसेस इज सेम, there's just one additional step involved. So प्रोसेस इज सेम. तो पहले इंडिविजुअल सारे डिजिट्स को स्क्वायर करो. 4 का स्क्वायर आई हैव 16. 2 का स्क्वायर आई हैव 4. 1 का स्क्वायर आई हैव 1. क्लियर? Second row, I want to leave one space. This space I'm going to leave 6 के नीचे का, and I'm going to write the remaining space. What I'm going to do? Multiply these two. 2 and 4. Multiply 2 and 4 and double it. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. Got it? Next, multiply these two and double it. 2 ones are 2, double 4. Now this is one more, but now I need one more step because we have 3 digits. So we will get one more additional row. So now I leave 2 spaces, and I use 1 and 4 and double it. Multiply 1 and 4. 1 4 is a 4. 4 ka double 8. So 1 and 6 ka gaya. So I'll write 8 over here and then 0 over here. And now I need to add all of it. So what do I get? I get 6. I get 7. I get 8, 4 plus 4, 12, and 1, 13. So 1 carry is 5 and 1. Is it right? So 124
Yes,
का
sir.
square is 1, 5, 3, 7, 6. So once you have practiced this method, it will come very, very fast and very natural. Because now why is it quicker? Because we have only simple single digit additions and subtractions involved. So it's quick. And so what is the fundamental behind this shortcut method? It is a simple algebraic formula of a plus b whole square, or a plus b plus c whole square. That is what actually we are using. Okay, if you know in ninth standard you must have studied identities. ये उसका application है, ये method.